Ge Smart Windows and Doors is ready to go international. Ge is a high-end door and window brand under Changxiangda Aluminum Company Limited. Established in 2013, we are committed to the production, development, and sales of all kinds of aluminum doors and windows, such as system windows, sliding windows, intelligent lifting windows, heavy doors, narrow doors, etc. Our products have excellent noise reduction, impact resistance, and water resistance, as well as high cost performance. We are located in Foshan, Guangdong, known as the manufacturing base for doors and windows in China, and close to Hong Kong, China, enjoying an export advantage. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enables us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. Meanwhile, we have obtained ISO 9001 certification, been rated as one of the 10 brands in the Chinese door and window industry, and hold multiple patents. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers. Choose us. You will enjoy our excellent products and services. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders in Alibaba. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.